Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. In case it's your first time, please do consider to subscribe. My name is Shisom, a mom vlogger. Yeah, so welcome back again to my channel. Today is hair day. Yeah, we're making a hair today. I loosened the hair yesterday, washed it, though it's smelling warm. So after washing it, then the stylist will be coming, but I don't know how this hair is going to be dry because we got on fan. Yeah, that is cold. So maybe I don't know, Sha. I've washed the hair, so and the stylist will be coming soon. So that's what I'm waiting for. Today is head day. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. Did you go to church today? I did not. I did not. I beg go. So enjoy the rest of the vlog. Can you tell people why you are crying? Because you are making hair. I'll barb your hair. I can't deal. No. Because such you want to barb hair. Look here and tell me, you want to barb your hair? Eh? You want to barb it? Eh? Then why are you crying? Hey, why are you crying now? You don't want to barb it and you are crying. Now, wow. Oh, see fine hair you are doing, you are crying. Say hi. Hair is done and dusted after crying. Bend your head, let me see. So beautiful. Yes, that's so much season. The Jesus is on my lips. I want to be on time.
Several days later.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Yeah, we are back from school drop off. Yeah, but before we end this video, let's talk first. Yeah, so I announced my monetization yesterday on my community tab. Yeah, so mind you, we are not monetized this though. It's about a week or 2 weeks now, but yeah, I wasn't that excited because yeah, you two have stressed the hell out of me. You two have stressed the hell out of me, but anyway, sometimes it's my fault because I wasn't consistent. If I were, I might have been monetized for a long. Yeah, I don't even want to go there. When I started YouTube, I was all happy, videoing, doing everything, But at some point, I got tired of it. Then I went off. I didn't post for like a year. Then I come back again, started posting. Post like 2 to 3 videos. I went off again. So that has been the journey. But this year I said, Chisholm, you need to buckle up. So I started again this year. No, I started December. Yeah. I started being consistent on December. Though I'm not that consistent, so like consistent like other people used to do. Some people post videos like 3 times in a week, but I can't do. It's a lot. It's so stressful. But this time around, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready to take over. Like, I'm going to be consistent by God's grace. It's not easy to be filming video. The worst part of it is after filming, posting, you will not get views. That is the height of it. Like, but anyway, we have to continue. Yeah. So finally, we were monetized. We are monetized. I'm so happy about that. Yeah, we thank God for that. So yeah. So this is my I don't know how to put it. I have to be serious about these YouTube things because I want to earn like others. Money the sweet me. I want to earn like others. So yeah. So I'm going to put in the work. I'm going to be consistent. I'm going to add more, add more strength, add more power to this so that I can attain more height, like more subscribers, more views, more everything, more money, we need that money. Yeah, so that's what I want to say. So thank you all for your support. Those that have been with me from day one of this journey, I so much appreciate. I thank you all. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your share. Thank you for everything. It's not easy. It's not easy. I am so grateful. I am so happy. May God bless you all. Yeah, this YouTube thing is not easy to film, to edit, to do this, to do that. When I started YouTube, I don't have a good phone. Though I don't have a good phone line now, but I'm managing the one I have. Like they'll tell you, start with whatever you have, start with this and that. I start with what I have. And the video was not giving, like it was not giving at all. It wasn't bright, it wasn't like, you know what I mean now. So but I was just posting it like that. Sometimes I'll post and delete, I'll post and delete, I'll say, what is this? Will people watch it? Will people not come after me, like leaving a negative comment? It dey pain me. So that is it. So but right now it's not that I've been there, it's not that I'm there already, but the phone I have right now is manageable. Yeah, I have tripod, I have ring lights, like everything's adjusting. When I bought my first tripod, somebody borrowed it from me to go shoot, and they stole the tripod from them. Me that is managing. They stole the tripod. I was like, hey, where do I see money to buy another one? But right now, I've gotten more. I have 2 tripod right now, and I'm grateful for that. Yeah, so now that we are monetized, I don't want to lack content because if like say I don't get content again. No, that is the cocoa. You have to have content to be posting. If not, you're not gonna make anything. No. So that is it for this video. I want to end this video here. So thank you guys for watching. If you have watched up to here and you have not subscribed, please do so. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. in case you come across this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, may God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.